I'm recording this for the second time because the first time the microphone was not on. This is Miss Mulkey. I'm teaching you how to solve a Syllacrostics puzzle. If you're paying attention, Sylla looks very familiar. These are all syllables, and it is a puzzle using syllables. It says, fill in the answers to the puzzle by using the syllables in the box. These are the syllables. Each syllable can only be used once. So if we look, we can see that there are two E's. That means the syllable E or E, depending on how it's pronounced in the word, will be used twice. So you can only cross it out one time once you use it, not twice. In a syllacrostic puzzle, a player is given 3 pieces of information. The clue, which is here, the number of syllables in the word, which is this number, and the number of letters in each word. Okay, here we are. So that's why you have the dashes. So here it says 206 bare bones. I'm going to take out the word bare and just know I'm dealing with Halloween. And when we think of bones and Halloween, we think of a skeleton. I see that S-K-E-L would fit right here. S-K-E-L. Cross that out. We'll do the first E. Cross out that first E. It would go right here. And then ton, T-O-N. Cross it out. T-O-N. Skeleton. The second one, Halloween outfit. We all know that we can dress up in a costume. It's C-O-S, not C-U-S, so you have to be careful. Cos, C-O-S, C-O-S, and then tomb. It's not like T-O-M-B, like where you bury somebody. It's a tomb, like T-U-M-E, so you're going to have to know some spelling. T-U-M-E. Costume has 2 syllables. Skeleton had 3. A color. Well, it could be any color, but we're talking Halloween. Halloween's colors were always traditionally orange and black. Now we've added some purple and maybe some hot pink, but I can bet it's going to be orange. 2 syllables. Orange. O-R. O-R. Ange. A-N-G-E. A-N-G-E. Orange. Remember to cross off your syllables. That's going to be the best way to help yourself. Good luck.